With RepairDesk's Repair Tracker widget, your customers can check the status of their repairs directly from your website by simply entering their ticket ID and last name. Let's show you how to set it up on your website. First, log into your RepairDesk account. Navigate to the 9 dots menu and click on Integrations. From there, select Repair Tracker and click Setup. Once in the Repair Tracker section, look for the highlighted area labeled Click Here. Click on it to generate your unique iFrame code. A pop-up window will appear with the iFrame code. If you have multiple stores, you can also choose the code labeled for all stores. You can copy and paste this code on your website on an existing or new page, such as Track Repair Status. Once pasted, this code will embed and enable the Repair Tracker widget on your website like this. Customers can now quickly check the status of their repair tickets by entering their ticket ID and last name. They can view all the details along with their status. If an invoice exists, there is an option to download invoices in PDF format. For convenience, we recommend adding the Repair Tracker link to the footer of your ticket receipts. This way, customers can quickly access the tracker whenever they need it. That was all for a quick guide on Repair Tracker. For further details, visit our knowledge base. And if you have any questions, email us at support@repairdesk.co. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.